Alright, hey guys, it's me. I'm back. Woohoo. Doo-doo-doo. Alright, so sorry that it just ended and cut out at the very end. Whoa. This is cool. Sorry about that. I just wanted to end it right there so I could make like a part 2 out of it. I got the iron. That's good. I just don't want to die. It's the last thing I want. Oh, thank God, copper. Let's go, we have you around. I wish there was like bronze in Minecraft, that'd be cool. Let's see, so fun. Also, some of you guys were complaining about the darkness. Oh, there's some iron. Here's some lightness here. I can give you guys some. Alright, here you go. Sorry about that. But 1.19 update just dropped out, and I'm playing it right now. So let's go. And even more iron. Perfect. Right. Also, see, like now this pathway is fine. I guess I'll check over here. Oh my gosh! We actually found emerald. No way! Yeah, I definitely need an iron pickaxe. That's crazy, dude. Wow. I think yep, crap. We can make one right now. Right, got a 1, 2, 1, 2. Just do that. Man, wow, just finding emeralds so hard. It's just as hard as finding a diamond. Furnace. Yes, give me that furnace.
I don't even want my hands.
Sorry about that. It's okay though. The iron. Alright, well that's good. Now we're gonna have to wait, but it's going really good so far right now. Uh-oh, well that broke. Ooh, it's just melting. Gravel, my enemy. Oh, right, I'll have mute for a second because why not? Yes, look at that copper. I'll get that soon. Oh, more copper. That was good. Alright. Even more copper. Alright, jackpot. We just hit the jackpot. Let's go. Done. Gotta go fast. Oh wait, no. We gotta go this way. Get a pickaxe. Let's go. Alright, let's use it for the Emerald War. Also, sorry that I'm wearing a Steve skin. I can switch it back. That felt good. Alright, let's just mine the other stuff. Right, there's a hole right there. A whole nother section. Let's go. Alright. I can stand on this. Quickly mine through. I actually want to save my iron pickaxe. I want to save this. Alright. I'll use stone. Yes, I will actually cook Foodie Moody. Oh no. I cannot cook anything else. That's a problem. Smithing table. Don't need one now. I usually just make them instantly, but I don't got much iron. And I can't smelt anymore. Alright, let's stone tool, pickaxe. You. And yes, I know that you guys wanted me to have stronger tools, and it's lucky that I got an iron pickaxe. So, yeah, you don't need to complain anymore. We got it. I hate when this happens. Right, I might just block off the water right here. Yeah, water's pretty lame. I get that. Alright, got that. Alright. We're going underwater. Oh, it's a cave. It's an actual cave. A thing that we wanted so bad. A cave. Oh, yeah, sorry about the darkness. Torch. There we go. Boom, let's go. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got mine this section. Alright, this one's starting with a good start. I don't want to die for the most part. Oh, stupid torch. No, thank you, no. Well, I don't care about that. What matters if we get the torch. Alright, boom. Shield for safety. Our stone axe is good. Yes. Alright, perfect. Yes, I will make armor, but not yet. It's not just tools I gotta worry about. Yes, I'll get you later, copper. Alright, axe. Alright. It's kind of dark, but hey, we got some light sources. Sorry about the darkness, guys. It's hard for me to see too. Right, nothing here. There's copper, but we don't need it yet. Right, now we got some light. Copper. Oh, it's like a baby cave. Barely anything. What? Hold up. And there you go. Oh. Water? When did we get water? Oh, sorry. That's dark. You know what? I think I do not like what I did. Woo! Why is the shield not working? Oh. Oh, we can eat spare eyes. I do not like that. Woo! Alright, it seems like they changed shields so you don't sneak anymore. They kind of do. Iron, iron. Oh man, I hate darkness. Whew! We are close to dying. Yeah, that's iron. Jeez. And this is one kind of cave that I had not dealt with in a while. I'm still getting iron. Oh, come on. Oh, you know what? No more risks. I am not taking any more risks. That stupid water. No, no, no. This one, gotta have it. Nope. I think I collected it. I don't know if I said that right. And I died. Right, that's stupid. That's dumb. Okay. It's not the best thing. I do not want that. Gotta end with all of our stuff back. Come on, come on. I feel like Steve is actually pretty slow. I gotta take some jumps. And another one. Ah. Woo, woo, woo. We can end it now. Right, iron pick. Did you get everything? Yeah. Whew. I think we did. Yeah, we got iron. Oh, wow. Huh. Whoa. Oh man, well. Oh, alright. Yeah. Oh, well. I died like that. No. You stupid creeper. I actually like creepers. They help me with a lot of stuff though when they blow up. And I hate this water. No water. No creeper. Hey, at least he's gone. There's one. Oh no. I do not feel safe. Sorry, that's like really, 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 really dark. Pickaxe, pickaxe, pickaxe. Go get this last piece of iron. Right, I got it. Did I? Is it just down here? Oh, I really don't care. Well, this is the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. We survived with all of our stuff, but we died once. But hey, that's fine. Well, see you another one. Bye.